It sounds like you could really take advantage of something that we call managed security services, or an MSSP. Essentially what that is a suite of security products and platforms that are backed by a SOC, or a Security Operations Center. 24/7, 365 staffed, top-tier engineers in-house that are watching events that come in and that are responding to them in real time. The primary components of it are going to be an EDR, which is like advanced antivirus. It's the endpoint detection, but we like to also couple it with a SIEM, which aggregates all of your logs and all of your events so that they can build a timeline of an attack in real time, as well as some advanced user and security controls like multi-factor authentication to prevent breaches from even getting in.
Managed IT security is different than managed IT services. Security specifically focuses on the holistic approach of your environment, and it's really more than simply tool sets and firewalls and software, etc. It's a marriage of both product and technical resources and their processes that drive them to make sure that you're safe consistently. An IT security service is one that I think every company really needs.